Good morning.
Let's all welcome the Mayor of the City of Manila and the Vice Mayor of the City of Manila, Mayor Isko Moreno Domagoso. Together with Vice Mayor G. Atienza. Also, we would like to welcome the Ambassador of the Embassy of Russia. we would like to welcome His Excellency Marat Ignatievich Pavlov of the Embassy of the Russian Federation and the Moscow Government Minister, Mr. Sergei Chermin. Distinguished guests, honorable officials, delegates from the Moscow government and the Russian Embassy, good morning. Good Mayor of the City of Manila, Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso.
Thank you. To our Ambassador His Excellency Marat Pavlov and the wife, beautiful wife, again, welcome to Manila. And to our friend from Moscow Government, Minister and Head of the Department of External, Economic and International Relations, Moscow, Mr. Sergei Chermin. Welcome again to Manila. And to the other delegates, traveling all the way from Moscow. Especially, I'd like to give extra credit and thanks to the people of Russia, because last night, a lot of Manileños experienced to watch great, skilled, talented ballet performance courtesy of the Moscow and Russian government here in Manila. Palakpakan natin sila. Napakaganda ng performance nila at masayang-masaya ako dahil unang-una, ang mahal-mahal manood ng ballet. Pangalawa, kung gusto mo na Russian ballet, punta ka sa Russia. Pamasahe pa lang, ubus ka na. But we are very fortunate to the graciousness and kindness of Russian government, Moscow government, local government, and the ambassadors' effort and all the delegates. Kaya mga bata Maynila, mga mag-aaral ng UDN, isang masigabong palakpakan sa ating mga kaibigan. I'd like to recognize also Councilor Lou Veloso. Very excited. Lou, nag-enjoy ka pa kagabi. Yeah. Kasi kami mga artists, when they are performing last night, we know that it's very hard. They're very talented. Yung ating mga Russian ballet performer last night. Kaya kami ni Lou Veloso, tulong-tulo ang laway namin sa galing. But I'm happy that a lot of Manileños saw it, and it can be an inspiration, especially to a young lady whom I saw in the lobby. And the mother said, she is ballerina. And I asked her, sabi ko, maganda ba? Magaling po. Magaling po. So, someday, somehow, this can be an inspiration to others, especially fellow Manileans. But today, we are celebrating side by side with our Russian friends to celebrate the greatness and recognize the greatness of Alexander II. Ito ay tanda ng pagkilala at pagpapatibay ng relasyon nating mga Ruso at Pilipino dito sa lungsod ng Maynila. And I would like to recognize our Vice Mayor's effort in the City Council, Vice Mayor Chi Atienza here, and the entire City Council who is supporting the effort of the city government to strengthen our relationship with our friends in Moscow. Now, we are not going only to recognize, but we will continue. This is a testament and our also effort to continue to honor the legacy and literary contribution of Alexander Pushkin, and to continue to strengthen our cultural, diplomatic relations between Manila and Moscow. And also, we will continue to promote international friendship and cultural understanding between two cities. And we will continue to foster cooperation in the fields of culture, education. As you can see, marami dito na-meet ko kagabi, mga nag-aral sa Moscow. Na-meet ko sila sa show kagabi. And I hope someday, somehow, one of you here in UDN will be sent to Moscow and to study further and in your field of undertaking. So we will continue to bond, build stronger ties and relationship in our people-to-people exchanges. So to the Ambassador, Your Excellency, to Sergey, always welcome to Manila. And it is a great honor for us to have a piece of memory of a great person in the world. Not only recognized by the Russian, not only by Filipinos, but I think all poets in the world recognizes and give good credit to Alexander Pushkin. Magandang umaga at pagpalain nawa kayo ng Omega. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor, for that warm and inspiring message.